Have you ever wondered what happens when you stop creating content and uploading videos on your YouTube channel? I did just that, and the results were surprising to say the least. Let me tell you a story. Nate, a 9-to-5 worker, started a YouTube channel about 6 months ago. His first video didn't do too well, but his second video, it took off. Encouraged, he continued uploading regularly. But then, more work piled up on his desk, and he had to dedicate more time to his job, leaving his YouTube channel behind. Fast forward to a few months later, Nate got laid off. He was devastated. Then, he remembered his YouTube channel. When he checked his page, what he saw was shocking. In this video, I'm going to share with you what happens when you stop uploading on your YouTube channel. Let's get right into it. First things first, the numbers don't lie. During my break, my views and subscribers dropped a lot. It felt like my channel turned into a ghost town. Why does this happen? YouTube's algorithm thrives on consistency. When you stop uploading, your visibility drops significantly. It's like YouTube puts you in a little corner, away from the spotlight. Think of YouTube as a friend who side-eyes you when you skip game night. The algorithm does the same. It loves regular uploads because it signals reliability and keeps viewers engaged. Let's break down the impact. First, there's the obvious drop in views and subscribers. When you stop uploading, your loyal viewers start to drift away, and new viewers are less likely to discover your content. Secondly, YouTube's algorithm starts to deprioritize your content. It's designed to promote active channels that consistently engage their audience. When you take a break, your channel loses its competitive edge. And it's not just the numbers. Stopping uploads can take an emotional toll. You start to miss the creative process, and your audience starts to question your commitment. Let's talk about why I took a break. Like many of you, I was juggling work, family, and other commitments. Life happens, but here's the silver lining. Taking a break can also reignite your passion. It gives you time to reflect on your content, improve your skills, and come back stronger. Now, let's dive deeper into how YouTube's algorithm works. The algorithm is designed to maximize watch time and keep viewers on the platform. It favors content that keeps people engaged and returning for more. When you stop uploading, the algorithm notices the drop in activity. Your videos are shown less frequently in recommendations and search results. This impacts not just your latest uploads but your entire channel. The algorithm relies heavily on viewer behavior. If your subscribers aren't watching your new uploads because there aren't any, YouTube assumes your content is less relevant and adjusts its recommendations accordingly. Alright, enough about the downsides. Let's talk recovery. If you've taken a break, here's how you can bounce back. First, focus on quality over quantity. Your comeback video should be something special that grabs attention and reminds viewers why they subscribed in the first place. Second, communicate with your audience. Be transparent about your break and your plans moving forward. Transparency builds trust and re-engages your community. Third, promote your content across all your social media platforms. Use every tool at your disposal to let your audience know you're back and ready to deliver great content. So, what's next for the channel? I'm back and more motivated than ever. On this channel, you'll find tips on YouTube growth, strategies to make money online, and insights into AI tools that can help you achieve your goals. Stay tuned for exciting and valuable content to help you succeed. Thanks for sticking around, my awesome subscribers. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I promise, no more disappearing acts. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.